Today is the 27th of February 2018 and the market has just opened and we are in the trade for a couple of days. I started the trade on the 23rd of February, so we are in the trade for about 5 days and the market has moved up a lot because when I started the trade, the market was at 272 and I sell at the money call option for our short term. At a point of time when I did the trade, I do expect the market to retrace a little bit, but my analysis was wrong and the market has went up instead. And for the 272 call option, which is at the money last week, now the call option is in the money by $6 and that is a lot. But when we look at the trade is currently in a profit of $27. And if you take a look at the risk graph, this is the current risk graph and we are currently in fact making money. As I mentioned when I initiated the trade, on the upside, the risk is less. The risk is actually on the downside. But when the market drops, the volatility is going to help us because we are positive vega for our trade. I just want to do a little update today on where we stand, and I'll be doing another series of video on what we should do if the market is on the downtrend and what we should do when the market is on the sideways trend and what should we do when the market is on the uptrend. As of today, I want to stay put on this current position and I'll update the video as and when I make an adjustment or close out the trade. Thank you.